Okay, so we've got the single leg RDL into the jump. Now, this is just a ballistic advanced progression to the dynamic single leg RDL. Main focus here being on improving and increasing the velocity of the contraction from those hip extensor muscles. Just also challenges your stability a little bit more. You'll see a great carryover into other hinge based exercises when it comes to improving your stability when you can perform this movement. So all you're going to do is perform the dynamic action of the single leg RDL. If you haven't already, I would recommend to just check that tutorial out. Although by the time you're onto this variation, you should have a familiarity with the original position that you need to be in. And then basically we're going to use the contralateral swing of the arms to make sure that we gain proper locomotive capacity. Basically you'll hinge, let's say on your right leg, and when you do this you'll take your left arm forward slightly. So this just aids in stabilizing your pelvic position, and it also sets you up for the jump phase. Then from here, with the steering leg behind you, so the left leg trailing behind you, all you're going to do is drive the left knee forward and up, extend at the hip, okay, jump off that supporting leg, and also swing the opposite arm upwards as well, as you can see here in the video. This will just aid with increasing jump height, and obviously get that action of the pelvis and the hips extending through. You're going to jump as high as you can comfortably go, whilst also being able to maintain and stick a solid landing, okay? So with this, you want to be able to jump and then land back on that supporting leg, hold it for a second or two before going into the next rep. If you're jumping so high that you can't absorb the landing, you can't stabilize your position, then you need to regress your jump height a little bit. So just take it a little bit easier, but focus on maintaining stability as well as generating power.